Did you know our galaxy is on a collision course? The Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away, is racing toward the Milky Way at 110 kilometers per second. According to NASA and the Hubble Space Telescope, in about 4 billion years these two giants will begin to collide. But don't worry, stars won't actually crash into each other. The space between them is so vast that direct collisions are incredibly rare. This will be a cosmic dance, not a head-on crash. By that time, our Sunday will be in its final stages of life as a red giant. Earth likely won't be habitable anymore. Eventually, both galaxies will merge into one massive elliptical galaxy. Scientists call it Milkomeda. But here's the twist. New research from 2024 says the collision isn't 100% certain. There's only a 50-50 chance it will happen within the next 10 billion years. The Triangulum galaxy could change the path. Think about this. 4.5 billion years ago, life on Earth hadn't even started. Today, we're looking 4.5 billion years into the future at a galactic event we'll never witness. The universe writes its stories over billions of years. And even if we miss the show, its beauty doesn't fade.